Today is Friday, and guys, I am going out today to a hangout. It's a how do they call it? It's a house party. I was invited for this party, and yeah, I am going to have fun today, meet people as usual. Party will be starting around 5, and when I checked the address of the place, it was like an hour plus journey, so I need to leave the house before 5. Maybe I leave the house around 4, because currently now it's almost 3, so maybe I'll leave the house around 4. Then let's see how the party goes. Hey guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. And yeah, as you can see, I am fully dressed. I am good to go. I am ready to go to the hangout now, so let me do a quick outfit check. I am wearing this shirt from H&M. This inner is from New Yorker. The necklace is from Shein. The glass is from Shein. My bracelet is from Shein. My shorts is from Bershka. My sneakers is from one vendor on Instagram. I can't remember the name. And yeah, I am all set. I wanted to wear a white inner wear, but I ruined it while I was making my makeup, and I had to change it. So how do I look, guys? How do I look? How do I look? So let's go. I'm checking the price of Uber. What I am seeing, the price is high, so I think I'll be using the bus, but I don't want to use the bus. I definitely don't want to use the bus, but I have no choice, so let's go. Today is Saturday. I am getting ready to go to the grocery store. I woke up around 4, guys, 4 this evening, and I slept like a baby, guys, because of the drink. Yesterday was really fun. Like, guys, it was fun. I enjoyed myself. We started the party so late because we were waiting for people. I told you guys I was gonna vlog the whole thing, but I couldn't because of people's privacy and all of that. So yeah, I did not vlog, but it was really fun. We started late and finished around 3 a.m. and I had to wait till 5 before I could book a ride, because from 3, 4 getting a ride would be very hard. So I had to wait till 5, and I got home around 6:30 and slept the whole day till this evening. So let's hurry to the grocery store. Then on Monday I'll be going to the African store to get African food items. Then tomorrow being Sunday, I don't know if I'll be going to church tomorrow because I'm still having a little bit of hangover. Like, guys, I drank a lot. I got to meet new faces and it was really nice. So I'm gonna talk to you guys later. It's getting late already. This is 5:30 and I know before I'm going to come back from that mall to be around 8. So let's go. Today's Monday and currently it's 1:04. Happy first day of the week. So I am going to the Niger African store to get few things like rice, oil. The oil they do sell in Poland, I don't understand it. I don't like it. I don't really like it that much. I need to get yam. I have been craving for porridge yam. I just want to eat porridge yam like mad, like kilo day. I just want porridge yam, and I need to get oats. My oats is finished. I need to get plantain and some other few things. And yesterday being Sunday, I did not go to church because I had a lot of things to do yesterday. I cleaned, I cooked, I washed, I did so many things I would have done on Saturday because of that party. So let's see how this week goes. I don't have anywhere to go this week, so definitely I'm going to go to church on Sunday. I'm almost dressed halfway. I need to wear my shoes, my jacket. The weather is so cold. It's very cold today, and yeah, Let's get going.
Yeah, I'm picking.
Okay, great. Okay, so it's a different part, yeah. This one they want?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
I can find more if you need the green.
Hi guys, so I'm about to go home now. My budget was, I just finished buying and I spent more than my budget. My budget was for 500 and I end up spending 600 and something. Anyway, I wanted to return some, but I felt I needed everything I picked. I needed it. I wanted to pick things for soup, and my god, the money go plenty. The money will be much. So I closed my eyes and said, okay, next time I'm gonna buy things for soup, but for now let's stick with what I got. I want to order my taxi now and head home. The weather is so cold, like very cold. It's very cold, very cold. Here comes winter. And this cap, I need something to cover my head more. This cap is not helping. So coming from the African store now. I just go home and I want to quickly show you guys the stuff I got from there. First of all, I got rice, I got pepper, I got grinded pepper, I got quick oats, I got malts, I got 4 malts, I got thyme and curry, big ones. This is this one is for beef, for meat, and this one is for chicken. So I got the 2. I got plantain. I wanted the ripe ones, but they don't have it. The lady said they will have it on Wednesday, but I cannot go back on Wednesday. I had to take this unripe one instead, keep them. And I got chips to try. I got crayfish. These are ungrinded ones, and these are the grinded ones. So yum. I got oil. I got the small one because I already have half, so I'll just turn this inside the other one. I was so surprised. The lady gave me this fish for free. This is croaker fish, and she was like, do you eat fish? I said yes. Like, you really eat fish? I said yes. And she was like, okay, I have something I want to give to you. And then she went to the fridge and brought out this fish, this croaker fish. I was like, really? Am I paying for it? She said no. I said okay. So this is free, guys. This is for free. I didn't pay for it.